Hi all. So today we'll be doing a video on how to remove your apprentice status if you are a Sigma Practicode student, Practicode software provided by AAPC. So first of all, what you will have to do is you'll have to open your browser and you'll have to enter AAPC. In AAPC, you have to click on the login. That means you'll have to enter your account in the AAPC subsection. There you'll have to enter your registered AAPC username and password. And after that you'll have to click on sign in. Once you sign in, this your AAPC home appears, and from there you can click on my AAPC, or your name will be given here. You can click on this and you can click on the apprentice option that is given here. Okay, so under apprentice you can see the overview. You can read the instructions on steps to remove your A, and after reading thoroughly you can click on the apprentice removal application. There you can enter your member ID and your last name, and you can click on verify. Once you verify, your details will be given there. Please check that if your details are given, if they are correct. Then the second menu is relationship to the applicant. There you can click on myself, that is the account holder. It will be automatically given there, but either way you can click on there. Then in the third section you can select the experience type. In the experience type, click on the A, work experience 1 or 2. Under there select 1 year. Then you can enter the correspondent name as AAPC, correspondent title as AAPC, organization name as AAPC, and then you can enter the AAPC phone number as 0120-601-7400 at this section, and the email address, either you can give your email ID or you can enter practicode@aapc.com. You can do that. Then you will have to choose your documentation, upload documentation. Okay, this documentation is the your coder's performance profile. That is the transcript you've obtained after completing the 664 or something cases, and you'll have to complete all these 660 cases and have an overall coding accuracy about 70% or more to qualify for the apprentice removal. And if you do not meet these criteria, your application will be rejected. Okay, so you'll have to upload your transcript on this choose file section, and then at education experience section, click on this. Here you can enter your correspondent name. So for Sigma students it will be Mr. Bipin Balan, so you can enter Bipin Balan here, and correspondent title you can enter as CEO, and the organization name will be Cigma. And the phone number of Cigma you can enter as 9496064000. This is the phone number for Cigma. And then the email address, that is exams@sigmamedicalcoding.com. And here you can choose your file, that is the file for your education experience. That is a proof of education document. Okay, in this document, in what you have to upload here is either the Sigma Medical Coding Academy course completion certificate, not the recommendation letter or anything. You have to enter the course completion certificate, Sigma Medical Coding Academy course completion certificate. Or if you are completing from another institute, you can upload your course completion files also in here. After uploading this, you can click on the submit. Okay. Once you click on the submit option, you can wait to at least 3 to 5 weeks. You have to be patient for 3 to 5 weeks for AAPC to revert back to you. And APC is no longer processing apprentice removal requests via email. You can use this website only for uploading your documents for apprentice removal. So make sure you follow all these steps and enter your details correctly. So after verifying your details correctly, you can enter the submit section. Okay, thank you all.